Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and the black paint doesn't want to stay on the edge. Go around there. I guess I can put more on later. Alright, so I'm going to try another Dutch pour. My sister-in-law Ange, and I decided that we weren't very good at these, and I want to know why. So I'm just going to put some paints on. I have marine blue here, turquoise, silver, black and white, and I just would like to kind of see why I don't have much luck doing these. I have silicone in the silver, turquoise and the blue, and I have a bit of alcohol in the white just to see what happens, and I'm hoping for something rather nice. Some turquoise. I might just put a splatter of white here and there, maybe on these double bits. Probably putting too much paint on, that could be my problem. Now some black around the outer edge. Okay, I think we're pretty much hot to try. That out of the way. Plug this in. I will try not to make too much noise, but hey, here we go. Not looking too bad just at the moment. Need a bit of black along here by the look. Right, so I'm going to use my piece of tubing. Here. pretty. Alright, so I'm quite happy there, but I've got some pictures here that need some black paint, and might as well do it now. Goodness, I don't know why the paint hasn't gone on here. Maybe the canvas was a little dry. I should have sprayed it, perhaps. It was only a new one. You see here too. Bet you any money you like I need to turn it around. I bet that other side's the same. So let me see. Oops, there's another one. Not wrong. I needed to do this one too. Really is annoying. Now I've gone solemn. That's because I'm not a happy chappy. Look, there's another one there popping up. I don't know what causes that, but I've had it a couple of times on different canvases, and it really is quite annoying. Come back, I need some of you. Where did I see it? But I'm actually quite happy with the pour itself. Yep, around that way. Surely it's got to be covered in a minute. Goodness. Okay. What are you, just white or what? I don't know. There we are. I was hoping that's all it needs. I just have to keep my eye on it as it dries. Yeah, there's that piece I was looking for. So there we are. I think that's quite nice. Not bad Dutch pour, probably one of the better ones that I've done. And I'm just going to give it a little torch and see if anything else pops up. Pleased to say this one's done. It was long-winded, but hey. So I don't know now if I told you, but the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. My email address is under there too if you'd like to order any paintings or cards that I make. More than welcome just to email me for pricings, and if you do email me for pricings, please tell me where you live. I'm in Australia, you see, and it's a little bit difficult to tell somebody how much postage is if why am I laughing if I don't know where you are? I'm laughing because, I'll show you now, I'm going to bring you down to show you this. I'll show you why I'm laughing, and it's more of a dear laugh. Alright, so here we go, and I'll just take it out so it's in focus, and this is what's happened. I've knocked the white paint over, but look at that, it didn't drip on the floor. How cool is that? So this is what I was looking at, and I'll just come around here and show you from this angle, and you can see that's really quite pretty, and I really like it actually. I get very picky with some of my paintings, but this one, it's not too bad. Certainly is the better Dutch pour that I've ever done. And the colours are nice. Turquoise and the blue go really well. So, there we are. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside that word and you'll be notified then as I put more videos up. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.